Hey guys, it's Carter here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to swing trade and make $100 per day. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. So there's a couple of things starting off with swing trading that every swing trader will need. The first thing is a broker. This is how you guys are going to be able to buy and how you guys are going to be able to sell your stock. The second thing, personally, I would highly recommend this for beginners. This is having a broker that offers paper trading. Right now I'm using Moomoo. Moomoo is completely free, service free, and it's all real time. I would highly recommend them because they have paper trading. On top of that, they do have a free stock scanner and a whole bunch of other fantastic things. All of this stuff every swing trader will need. Now, if you have a hard time, picking brokers or picking stocks, don't worry. We'll break down how to find high quality picks. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to finvest.com. Okay, finvest.com is a free stock scanner. This allows you to filter out all of these stocks. So right now, looking at Finvest, you'll notice that we have the top three indexes: Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500. Then we have the S&P 500 map. Looking at the map, you'll notice that right now, everything's just been getting absolutely obliterated, but there is some high growth sectors like banks down in here that are still performing pretty decent. So the next thing I always like to do is go to this groups tab. This group tab is pretty much looking at different sectors. So you'll notice the day performance. Healthcare is doing relatively decent. We have customer defense, we have healthcare, financial, 1 month, energy, healthcare. So one thing you'll notice, right, for understanding these sectors and all this stuff, because this is very, very important with swing trading, is you want to invest in stocks that are still getting bought up. And right now, healthcare is doing relatively decent. So this would be one of the sectors that I would definitely be more looking at with healthcare and energy that I think carry a lot of potential right now. So we go to the screener tab. Once you guys click the screener tab, you'll notice that we have a whole bunch of fantastic criteria that you guys can put in to find these stocks. So the first thing I always do is click this all tab. So the all tab puts the descriptive, the fundamental, technical all in one place, so you don't really have to be clicking in between all of them. The second thing I do is go to price. Okay, so starting off with a small account, this is game changer, right? Because you're going to want to find stocks pretty much underneath $20. Now, you obviously can adjust this. Personally, I just think $20 gives you the best rate of return because you can really, really capitalize on those share sizes. The second thing I always do is go to average volume right here, and we're going to go over 500,000, okay? Over 500,000 is great because you want other people buying this stock, other people selling this stock. So now the next thing that I always do is go to relative volume. Relative volume is just pretty much the overall demand for the stock. The higher up you go, the pretty much the riskier and more volatile the stock will get. Often you'll see stocks over like 5, 10, stocks that are more day trading stocks, and pretty much any stock over 0.5, I would more consider a swing trade here. So we'll go ahead and we'll go over 0.5 as of right now. The next thing I always do is go to this pattern tab. The pattern is going to be, what they use is a software that does technical analysis. So what I always do, you can either do trend line support strong, you can do horizontal support and resistance, you can do channel up, you can do those pretty much three main ones, and we'll go in between all of them to see what type of stocks we got. So we'll start off with support strong here. So the next thing I always do, now that we understand, all these stocks, there's still about 121 stocks left. So the next thing I always do is go to the sector here, and we understood that healthcare was one of the sectors that was doing very, very well. So now we got 8 stock. Okay. I always go to charts here so we can just get a general idea of what's going on. And you'll notice, right, most of these stock have this downward trend, which I do not like. You never want to invest or trade a company that is selling off. A company like HUM does look interesting, but I think for us to buy it as swing traders, we would need to get this stock near and around, this 480 mark, right on this trend line right there. But I definitely think this could be a play if you set, possibly set some alerts like that. But as of right now, there's no opportunity. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to horizontal support and resistance and see how that looks. Okay. Most of the time, these ones are going to be not moving up yet, not moving down, just more kind of consolidation. But as of right now, I don't see any plays that really look interesting here. So we'll go to channel up. I found channel up does probably work the best because these are going to be stocks that are on that upward trend, and most of the time they have gotten some sort of sell off here. So something like this, right, does look pretty cool. Ticker symbol BPMC. You'll notice it does have some tendency to get buying pressure at that support line at about $50. Right now it's about 51. There could be some sort of play here. So once you find a stock with some opportunity, pull it up on your chart and kind of analyze it on it, because it'll give you a better picture of kind of what's going on here. So you'll notice, boom, 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 we'll go ahead and go horizontal line. So we do have this support line right around here. You'll notice there could be some sort of opportunity. Last earnings, missed earnings, most likely one of the reasons why we got some sell-off. It's been pretty volatile over the past couple of months, going up and down. We do have some resistance right here. So yes, there could be a possible swing trade here. I definitely think there could be some potential here. I just don't like how we have these dips in here, and we have these random times it sells off from 68 to 50, then back up to 70. But this could be a move, right? Looking at it on the RSI, it is undervalued on the RSI. The last time it was at a 30, was down in here. So yeah, there could be some potential here, especially if you hop in, set your stop loss pretty tight, risking about $2 to possibly have this thing come up to, $70. So risking $2 to possibly make $20 is a great risk and reward. So something like this, I would feel actually pretty confident taking a very small position in, and just kind of seeing what happens. So the next thing I would do is just continue to go through, analyze some stock here. So what we're looking for is like GH, right? GH, we'll go ahead and pull it up, and I'll kind of show you more on this one what we look for. GH right here. Boom, boom, boom. So you'll notice we have that support right here. Boom. We have that resistance up here. The first resistance is probably going to be right here at about 54. Right now the stock's trading at 48. You could set your stop loss. Set your stop loss relatively tight at 46. Risk $2 to possibly make about $6, which is a pretty decent risk and reward. 2 to make 6. Risk, what is that? A 1 to 3 risk and reward. So this is going to be how you guys analyze, how you guys find stocks and start paper trading, right? Because these stocks, yes, they carry potential, but you have to get comfortable buying, selling, stop loss, tight loss, right? Trailing stops, limit orders, market orders. And I never honestly use market orders. I am somebody that if I get the price I want, that is fantastic. And if I don't, I'm not going to stress over it, because I understand that, yes, this is a job, this is a career, but high quality stocks, high quality picks are better than quantity. Quality is better than quantity, especially starting off with swing trading, guys. This is how you guys are going to be building up your portfolios and making those $100, $200 a day by just constantly going through these stocks every single day and having a little side hustle and watching them. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's how you guys can find high quality stocks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe. Take care, everyone.